Wow, Party, it smells so good.
Still hot, my dear. Enjoy.
Thank you, Party.
This is wonderful.
Here, have some hot kadi.
Thank you, Amma.
You can make variations of this curry by adding vegetables to it. Like either you can add Ash Gourd, that is safed bokla, or you can add fried okra, which is Bhindi, or you can add fried Colocasia, which is Arbi. Depending on your taste, you can use any one vegetable at a time in the curry. This curry is generally had with cooked rice. You mix the curry with the rice, like how you would make a dal chawal, like you make a kadi chawal with an accompaniment of dry curry, which is called a poriyal, papad, or banana chips, etc. The South Indian coconut kadi is very easy to make. It hardly takes any time and is very tasty. So do try this out in your kitchen today and write in the comments how much you liked it. If you liked this video, share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also make this yummy coconut kadi in their house. And if you are not subscribed to this channel already, subscribe right now so that you don't miss out on any of my mom's South Indian vegetarian recipes. I'll meet you again in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.